Hi everyone, welcome to my video. If this is your first time here, I am Robin Kay. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer, and thank you for watching my video. Today we're going to be doing this, it's called ChalkMade Junior. Picture this kit, and it gives you everything in to make the kit. You will get 4 wooden blocks, these big paper clips. You get 4 paste packets, Couture Teal, Guava, Shimmer Silver, and Bumblebee. You get 4 trays, colored trays, and you get a Squeegee, the instructions, and the transfer. This is the transfer. I've already done some with my grandkids as Mother's Day gifts, and we also used some other. We used the Shine Bright minis and the Gold Digger minis, and I'll let them choose. And they choose other colors too. But for this today, we're going to be using the transfer, and I'm going to use the transfer that I had already used before because I already have it out. There's no point in opening a new one. I'm going to get my blocks out. I also had noticed on some of them they bled, so I want to make sure I wax these real well. And I'm going to be doing 4 of them. And these are, show you them. You get a car, a house, a light bulb, and a star. Set these aside. I'm going to be using some of the paste that came from the last one since I didn't use them all, and we used other colors. So I'm going to get my trays out here, and also some older trays. I can somebody these for a beach. And I'd say let's get started. Oh, I probably won't be waxing. I may even sand a little if I think it's too rough, because I don't want them to bleed. But I'll probably be waxing them and maybe fuzzing the transfer, depends on how sticky they feel. So I'm going to get the paste out, and I'm going to get started. Okay, these are great, all of the colors. It turned out great. I am not on camera in this video because it'd take too long, but I'm going to have my grandkids come in and help me finish these off for more gifts. And turn these here, and we'll stick these in little holes in the top. Stick those in, just like that. Stick a picture in. And there you got your memory cube. And there you go. That's what they look like. I think these are fun and cute. They're great to do with kids if you're interested in something like that. All the details and all the links are down below. Please subscribe to my channel. Feel free to comment below. And again, thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and bye. Have a great day.